morning, everyone. Today is a very busy day. Look who is here. This is our friend, Safia. Hi. Let's touch our toes, Sarah and Safia. Okay, Ahmed, we can do it. 1, 2, 3. Morning exercise is fun. Phew, exercise makes me hungry. Look what I have, an orange. O is for orange. O, orange. Look, it's a giant O. Wow, it's sparkling. Let's play with it. Orange. Yum. So yummy.
هيا يا أصدقائي، اركضوا بسرعة أكبر.
إنها ممتعة حقاً.
لا أستطيع التوقف عن الضحك.
Yay! We are so fast! That was the best workout ever. I see something orange in the corner. But now I am really hungry. I see something orange in the corner. Now it's time to study. Let's sit at the table. I have my notebook ready, and I have a big pencil. P is for pencil. Wow! Look at that! Great job, Ahmed! P is for pencil, and P is for proud. Oh no, the bed is messy. Teamwork time. Let's fold the quilt. Q is for quilt. Q, quilt. Don't worry, girls. We can help too. Yay! With 4 friends, it's so easy. Wow, look at our beautiful, tidy bed. Pew, Q is for quilt. And Q is for quick. Good job, everyone.
The floor needs cleaning too.
I will clean the rug.
Great job, Ahmed. R is for rug. R, rug. Look. The rug is getting cleaner and cleaner.
Great teamwork, everyone. The playroom is tidy. High five for letter R. Yay! The room is clean. We did it. Now, let's do some art. What should we draw? S star. S is for star.
Shh! Look at the sparkles.
It's super shiny. And letter S. Phew! Shh! Look at the sparkles. Our star is ready. Pew! I love letter S. S is for superstar. Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning letters. See you next time. Our star is ready. Pew! I love letter S. S is for superstar. Goodbye, everyone. Keep learning letters. See you next time.
Wow! Happy Learning Land! Look! The letters are coming to life! We can make so many words.
Look at the glowing letters O, P, Q, and R. They are so cool. Goodbye, letters. See you next time.